guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kara, and today we will be unboxing a wax warmer kit by Avaii. All right, let's take a look. So I haven't even opened this myself yet. So this is how the box comes. It's just says, you know, simple Avaii wax warmer kit. And there's just like, it's very simple box. Immediately when we open it up, we've got a little, just basically a thank you note. Okay. Open it up. Don't want to break it. There we go. Okay. You can't see anything on the table, but don't worry, I will show you everything one by one. First off, obviously we have the warmer. Looks like it's got well, there's a low setting, obviously on 160, 185, all the way to 240 degrees. I'm guessing that light's gonna come on when it's on. So it comes with 4 wax beads, 4 of them, instructions, and it also comes with these little things to apply the wax. The things the doctors use in your tongue. Let's take a look first at the instructions. Let's be completely honest, I have never waxed anything before, so we are testing this out on my husband. Well, and I don't really have a lot of hair on my arms or my legs, and it just wouldn't be easy to see on camera, so we're testing it out on him. He doesn't know that I've never done this before. Oh, look at this, quick start guide. Okay, that's what we need. Okay, so it says your hair needs to be 1/4 inch long to wax effectively. Your skin should be clean and dry. It says put the wax into the wax warmer and allow the beads to melt until it's consistency of honey. Okay, test a small amount first, it says, and then number 4, apply. Using the applicator, apply the wax. So I'm guessing these are one of the applicators you can use. I'm guessing this is probably for like your face, your eyebrows, you know, in between here. And then this, I'm guessing, is for the bigger sides. And it says wait until it cools for 30 to 45 seconds. And it looks like, if you see here, it just says pull. So I'm guessing you just pull it directly from where we place it on the skin. All right, I think we can do this. So I put you down here so you can see it a little bit better. Here's the actual machine itself. Here are all the little bags. We'll move those out of the way. And so what we're gonna do is open it up. The inside is everything's wrapped. So here we go, here's our little pot that we're gonna put it in. Assuming this is a handle. Oh no, here's the handle. Okay, here's the handle. Oh, I wonder if this is to scoop off the excess. Okay. And here's the inside. It's melting already. It's melting, it's melting. Oh. Let's go get husband. So this is my husband, Easton, and we are going to be using him as a model to test the wax out. Are you nervous?
A little.
So you want to make sure that it's the consistency of honey. Okay, so now it says apply in the direction of the hair. Okay, let's do this.
Yeah, there's written down.
There we go, we'll do it right there. Just doing a small amount, just to test it. And it says wait 30 to 45 seconds until it's dry, and then make sure that it's not like tacky. All right, so we waited until it was the right consistency, and we're just gonna peel up a little edge right here. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Oh, did that hurt?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Did it hurt?
Yeah, but it's not like super terrible.
It worked.
I know, I'm so smooth now. Oh.
So it did work. I don't know if you guys want to see this. Where's the camera? Yeah. Oh, you can't really see it, can you? You've got light hairs like me, babe.
Now I'm smooth.
Would you use it again?
Oh, no.
Would you use it on your face?
I want to use it on my mustache.
You know, this is for like the smaller areas like that. You could do your bikini look. Once again, that's Avaii. This is the wax warmer, and we think it's 2 thumbs up.